Hello, this is Attorney Doug Stair. I handle personal injury claims for clients. What I want to talk to you about today is 7 questions you should ask your personal injury attorney before you hire him. Now, the first question is, how much does this cost? It entails a whole lot of information, but briefly, you want to make sure that you are being represented on a contingent fee basis, meaning a percentage of the overall settlement or verdict is paid to the attorney at that time. Nothing is being paid in the meantime. You want to find out how much the costs are going to be, and you also want to know if there are any other additional costs such as reimbursement of medical bills. Now, let's talk about the contingent fee. When you work with a personal injury attorney, he or she knows that you don't want to be billed by the hour and then receive a monthly bill. What happens is personal injury claims are handled in a manner that they're contingent upon the success of the claim. So that means you don't get billed anything while the claim is unfolding and works its way toward hopefully a successful resolution. Only at that time is the attorney paid, and it's based upon a certain percentage that you and the attorney agreed to at the beginning of the case. Now, most personal injury claims traditionally have been done on a basis of 1/3 of the overall settlement or verdict. Now, I'm finding out from other attorneys across the state, particularly in the Pittsburgh, Philadelphia area, they're charging 40%, at times 45%. I'll acknowledge to you that occasionally a claim may be particularly complex and maybe a fee of 40% does make sense. But for the vast majority of cases, I believe that they could be handled on a basis of 1/3, and that's typically what my fees are, just a 1/3 of your overall recovery. Question number 2, what is a contingent fee? A contingent fee is the amount you will pay the attorney, or actually how much the attorney will be paid out of the settlement. You actually don't have to write a check to the attorney, but again, there's no payment until that time. And who pays the fee? That would be the defendant or the defendant's insurance company. Are there other costs? Yeah, there are. You'll have some case or litigation expenses. Doctors want to be paid for medical records. There's court costs and expert fees. That will come out of the overall settlement amount. The attorney will advance that for you during the pendency of the case and get reimbursed at the end. Are there other costs? Yeah, there are. Medical bills have to be paid. So that means your insurance company, or if Medicare, Medicaid, TRICARE, the VA, if they're paying the bills for you, they'll want to be reimbursed at the end of the case. A good personal injury attorney will know how to negotiate that for you to a lesser amount. Is my settlement taxable? That's the good news. It's not taxable. There is no implication for federal income taxes or state taxes for your settlement. So after the attorney fees and costs, the net amount to you is completely yours. What type of attorney should I hire? Should I hire a local attorney? My resounding answer is yes. There's absolutely no reason for you to go outside of your region for a personal injury attorney. If you've been injured in West Central Pennsylvania, meaning Blair and the surrounding counties, I can handle this case for you quite well. I have the same credentials as the Pittsburgh attorneys. Take a look at my website at the case results I've had over the years. You'll be pleased with the type of services I can provide. Do I have to go to court? Most personal injury cases fortunately settle. Now, that doesn't mean we can go directly to the settlement part of your case with the claims rep. It might mean that we still have to file a lawsuit and go through the discovery process. But most cases do settle before you select a jury or by that time. Is there anything else to think about? Yes and no. Most personal injury cases or attorneys will handle your case on a contingent fee basis and advance the cost for you. There's nothing new there. However, some attorneys charge a fee too high, and also they don't do other work for you that is necessary to give you the peace of mind that you want. My staff will take care of helping you get medical coverage if you don't have it. We'll do our best to assist you with that. We'll take care of the medical liens for you at the end of the case. In many instances, I'm still handling matters for my personal injury client months after the case is settled. A lot of attorneys won't do that for you. If you want to get more information about anything I've stated in these video clips, please watch the playlist or click to my website at the address stated below.